You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 0. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Add 2x to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 5/3 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by the coefficient. And so the final result is x equals 0.